Yada siasa mo nyina kwa aba odonfo na da romanti ena ama ye no mu bie ye tesene a ye tie nti de wo beka kira wo ho ane se Awurade e ma me remfi bebia na me free if se de tie bia na nyese na na tie nti se ne wa ye se ya ma remfi da no no Awurade na wo kra wo so hwe wo so a do aba bedru ha no bebia wo so wadu dransa na wo free atiasfo asase so no wadu bedru ho ti maro fi se de tie bia kasa afi we year of increment afi we year of praises emfa ho afena de tosumienu bosumi etosumienu ye dru ne 21st nti enye late kura ye dene se de aka se Awurade afi we ye praises and increment nti kai me oye ne sa obekonkon a Babinyire no so na memfa mu akwaba Adom TV Badwam dwumadi so Awurade ode yen ehyaase no omfa yenwie na wotwi bosumi ene afie de yen nyina ugituma waka se amen mede de afia amankwa atamaklo man hene kwabna sante ewo ha komse tro ewie pe Awurade ampare say no komse de esefa all corners so atiase nye obi bewudie football mu komse nyina mamu a osa safori na atimi chechire wo mo etumi abo ama asumdue akoso wo mamu ba de nyame ye enu ane dana se papa nka by this time ke aso ye na memu akwa be
well majo so na me de so ye Kristo ni enkom sheda so eye adwuma
we adwuma
na emom enjina eye enioma bi eni asoden ba akomienu bi ana etimi ma enkom shentimi etwesa anasesa na minkasa kese
eno anu
we de ekoye osi akwan onse meka se ye beto atena has medical to atena na ye gina so ato atena miensa na ti hwe so ojebre ehwe se de akansi ne si koya asodin ketua bi on the part of kotokofo enene se na eni ho kwan se kotoko coach Dr. Ogum oko hage has for coach no
ese wa bi akodro na no nyina wa hu
ye kan o dressing room na oni kwan se okochia ana o hagi papa no but mistake o yen se papa no so muye because so mo ye adwuma eti onante call doctor ho na doctor so e chese ball akansi na se kon so oba no o shena enti se de o coach ni nko fo bi na pa o ya fa ho ana ko hagi no o hagi no bo de o hagi ni we no ana has coach no e board doctor chimiensa pa say go no na doctor tap one also say has for them now if you have to say play line and
baby kodu ye no
eti no maybe one man
we analysis I was say atimi ayi
ya so unim say wo akwanya so betimi ache has 3 na wa unim wako hag ni pan 1 etia na ni parent me hu ono so de ne size e say bo chichire papa ati say or papa abo chi 3 or BT enti hona doctor ni ba na so ana so ko robo na pa 1 that's also cancel has for 1 na anka mo de beto atena no enu nti na kotokoti mbo bola na koto atena na askipa na yi afim na has for de no abo ba no pa na eti enu anyina no na ato agidi o ti de ekoso bia no ye mfa aseda manya me de ekoso bia no na mo say
oti asore na we ye a o medi wadi pa
no mo say has
me ten ne wa no esa ma ne besi so pepepe
no obi okotwa akansie bia no obi okotwa akansie bia no o se mani breye na me anim unim coach ne hagi we no I had to leave the park because Brian break from Monday to Saturday no via there
to go park we nyina
I had to leave me see coach the years we na catch Dominic say you know the problem the coach ayi has ni ehunu ade ne fa it obo o hagi we no say pa as if say the friendliness be one and the kotoko ni ba no wontem no okobo na chi pa o de hwesule muntare chances onya he has for chance first 10 minutes ni atro no it is a twe wontem a oh my goodness na has for dey omobosi no o de busa say obi a ba wo home ni abebo ball na enu a pray draw I obi a cha points na ko dia no o wa say nya ho kro ebusi they are lucky me person be kasepe they are very lucky na coach ni eni ne be chia yam because enioma edi gu akwa mu nya no wa mena ekwa
ese emu
coach Dr. Ogum oh wa hanipa because enioma me call park no maza me kona doso na me akwa me mo am dudu
hello chire eh mo bi enti o man hini bi na asem bi eni we wo mu because o kan kro obesa da na no
normal bebre ha but ko mo kama to me nyame adoma on beba back na ye timi no mo bi makoye kumase de ne ho adwuma onyame ya adoma
ahagora nye ye kumase de na akoye o de ja ye de wa ye na ye
why ebe wa gwa be gudi ba o ya mama ti o February na ekono ni de to so aduonu ba ko enye easy enye easy insurance chassis no skills bi
ye ho de wo ye ne be je mu kakra no
insurance chassis no skills bi itini ye huze ye huze rent to be mu
say dey obi antime predictive
you no turn and cremofo come on be chire ntimo on so steady because always you see if anybody be chire come on obetwa you can answer say you are the pampi sa na you see who do alas enim osare chire come on the so no google kakra kana ema hajia memu na bawa mo nyina o ma wode no omo nti because o je form bibia da boko a ma wo chire kom no kra wo se ba o chire kom peja nkonya o yesi na wie bogase sa no o sakra fa no se da ni o tibidi chot
akom che so de nya bete o kra wo de e brother de e kra from 6 to 9
radio we bobo na de that's what che e da wase wadaroma na de ache e de sima wo do atojo de obokata na kwa ejode they brought quickly now for fanu nsia kase na enwe chi no maka o se agokansi ni ahun se pe fisem anafe eye empensempensemu ye ni nyina bebro nse bebre na ekoso Ghana I'm sure so what to do na they fire tag for still ye husu ye they fire petrol sensem still ye husu ye they fire manyoku ahodo ye husu they fire nkomo ba ye bo radio TV so nsima ye tworo kratem ni nyina IBB onom they fire hospitals they fire napco ho the fa mebunu se ombetime nya adwuma ye na onya hotoso the fa adwene ye bese sane hu se ampa ni Ghana miensa ye Ghana ba ko pe sa nkomo ni nyina ekoso ya kwa hu nsem de nyame ani mi kwani ubo se yewura ya mo akwata ne engineer Christian nti o mashase touch base most of the
come sorry each one no na ye no operation clean your frontage
yeah frontage no
ho de na da so ho also ye tutu ye yi gata ni mo no ebi ma eda so ugu kwan no ho ayesa a che
operation clean your frontage
na ye tete gata si ni onse na ayesa nsuo wo mu nti ebi emu wana se
omu yi gata fufu anase emu yi gata
ye gata na te se St John's ho no mo no
egugu hostel
onse wo kwan esa na asa block
it dey appeal to assembly no
ebi na omu refi
anya kasa tenti bia they say assemblies le person mo proactive ye here kase pa no mamo ntwe manyo manje semansa na masaba nti assembly for na assembly
say no mu awia boso aye dry entesa na say hu anwia no gu kwan ni mu nti by this time mo nsesa sa anwia obetimi de aye
na nsuo no so sa ba ye no
ntesa besa ahwe agu gata ni nti enye ehonkwam ye so say bia ebi wo miamia bebre mo mpanifo mo miasesa ni nyina na adwuma no afede ye hu say wie mu di ne ehwe nyame nsuo no obehira ye enkofo ho bia ma na yasesa wie na gu kwan ho de a eno so ha adwen mile 7 ho no no so ma be ye kakra but I think so ram wakwata and they say highway for a highway that's all mo ye ma traffic ba ho pa
okay so
ram
wakwata ni Christianity engineer highways
mile 7 roundabout
no go na mountain pa contractor for kosu tumufo mo ye adwuma mo fa hye so de chese mo ye adwuma mani pentimi prepare ma hye so nkotutum mo fa ni die man very important komo bi wo quickly
Ghanaian Times ana
na so ka bi azan wako
okay Ghanaian Times the bokrata ni Professor Ken Ajimatefo na ebo ani mo hai NIA penny kwanchefo no yesi ye bie more centers efri ene ene wo mo ebie sa centers no na ebi be pie mu Accra Sports Stadium Ewak Sports Stadium Kumasi Sports Stadium na fe Ghana National Fire Service office wo Cape Coast na fe Tamale Sports Stadium ho nyina wo mo ba bebie centers na ne ye hya se bie ho nti wa wo nya wo Ghana card no na mia ma bobo nya otumi ko no akwa register from nei ekoya akosi Tuesday March 31st na wormo nti obi a wo register wo de no kokoye fi said de ne me ko no de sa Ghana card na no ana se ye de ba ba bibia nti wonni bia sim registration kran so ehun be ye den dia bia anko register ye we mu nyina betumi aboa ye you tag for say ye nko school mu nne anade ye nko classroom mu nne ye nko chena wo ko pay 17 a sa asem no e wo ho Ghanaian Times the Bokrate e de ba no pay
Well, yeah, to Daily Graphics say block funding to insurgents. Vice President charges West African states and the big one, e-levy not regressive. Ufuriata assures public and MMDAs must own property address. And what's the Daily Graphic they are buying for you that area can Ufuriata inform the finance minister 7 making and an inform you about daily guidance. So any man saying government releases 133 million Ghana cedi to SHS and Nima gangster nabbed. And what's the say Councillor Lutrod. Ninkomo bibiba odino paper said in Sembibre Ebreno. And businesses recovering from COVID-19 and what's them and so on say mad rush for MPP forms and also what's them abetoja. And this one MPP forms and sema debat Dr. Baumiane era lanchemanti munjai chaos na mode eba mo party no. Yakoto forms we na yakoto forms we na more forms is ka mo fan party no. You know, it's not,
and all kinds of supporters now.
No, more forms. Dr. Baumian Alan Chemanti. Over quite you what forms in our way. Most come from political party. I'm going confusion.
No, be uncontested.
Most come from political parties. No, political parties don't learn. Where's your assets? Obi a person no your control so abano. On to me 6 series, you say 5 series, 10 series in control form. It yet. Sikasem so amanyo semu na mo sa hye kina because one case one time one person ye to so aba na obey candy for untimi organize 10 season 20 season quarter form why Dr. Baumiane Alan Chemanti please mama yasu we inquiry because one case no me gumu so as politicians no muntimi for free mo party dey mo di America gregre mo nimtua mon fan koma mo party no mo nyomo djuma obi e o pese okopri bia no kofa form nto na munjai we be gwechi no na sekantwe ne maboro ne eno so be gege ne be din komo aya mo me ntimi nin komo ya hospital ya kwan so
progress
every day these two political parties in this case the MPP mo na mo de woso every day o hwe sequence na ensada we ye be bu nipa me bi epra me bi na achia me bi sia tu
Obi kure be wu afa.
Wait. Forms you who keke no. Go and pay for me some more come from one political party. Let everybody who is interested in the journey patronize the party.
Sir.
In forms.
Oh, you for normal process.
Odi. They be ada wo so good na no sir. They uni wo pe na a problem. And until only ho no money na mo office no. Mo so mo ha adwen. Mo ko mo na mo de share mo. Obama nipa na kwati intensu akwati fifiri ama watima koya adwuma mo de mo se mo ntiase da. Mo pe power mo your skills too much. Munya wi na afi ati afaso. That go for news. These politicians they will never learn. Or mo feel say they are vulnerable. Until they take advantage of us. 6 cities, 10 cities na mo ina hwehwe ni mo di America gaga. Makototo. Yeko for kase bo ne wi a ebeto aso.
And some of those on near children will be ya wobetie any. And they ejacuation be at Tomu our tamale, Potamu baby, and Masika, Quabrania Shreno, as when he saw catch the moon sumno a bebramo. Yabako a year Western North. Police commander was so actually notorious criminals be, and also who some year the bebro. I don't send be and an open medebro, Adom TV, Badwam Cas. Abrantia when you fear the asa and nine or your businessman Ibrahim Jawab and nay won't se cannon door. If he say Adam Kra a shum compound house Adam Kra Dubako a womb and a stores a noom a wow.
With the way my son was that's so my thing. The high sit a little and the bishop comes and I love you. Tell the men be my go, don't do like that and put me by. Then I'm like, my junior come and never went about 2 passes. So, because shabby is I yell come to I looked everything there.
Is it a shop house for you?
There is shop and as well as warehouse. But this one I saw them. Even I bought some things that are supposed to be used at home together with the product, and I kept it in the storeroom.
We are running a glass shop. We deal in glasses. and the glasses were all bent. Most of the glasses were broken and then the frames were bent. So we couldn't pick even a single frame out of the shop. Actually, the car, we wanted to take it to the bank. But because of the weekends, it was my brother who usually take it to the bank. So he traveled to Wale for a work. We can take it to the bank. But unfortunately, this incident happened and everything was bent.
Yento akase so na yen konsam foforo mo na Western North Police Command no one more ayo operation bi ama notorious armed robbers miensa de wonsa ka womo Abiu Ruben afe kwabna bretu Isaac ahe ya womo akire won ewo kwawu na afe kwawu inche district ewo Western
wa say onka ko attack minus any gold buyers no bi ewo kwawu ni patum nti yi patrol fo ewo inche Mokoho nti information no e de ko fiebum ma e ko e no so e ko to memetre a umudi ba kundi Abiu Ruby e san frɛ no ayile ba ko pɛ padi mfie aduasa minu da 32 na ba ko so e frɛ no omudware moja na ye hwɛ na ye akokɔ moja ene sɛ akokɔ no akuma akokɔ na to ho na omudware moja no is a one person won bi ho asana makɔ robbery scene no
Mayanto Badwam kase anopai so na owura bi a wanya mfie aduosia miensa ne din de akwasi apaw nyame ene edi ne ho afuru sane bra ode ne nim dia ma adokotafo efi se wono an nyonko ofa yawo adodo no afre no kofi ekowu ya wo ye drinking sport no ode sekan pa edeba
Kofi ko no ye frɛ no wo fa ya wo tonsa na akwasi apaw no so epensa kakra enti wo mu nyina betwitwa bi ma aba mo andi so enti ma ase akasakasa si on na o pushi nti ono kofi ko no pushi no na ataaye nti wo kaaye no na ono kofi ko ni anze wo pata na kofi ko ni ane se na se wo gram se dia na me so me fa me ho nchew kwata mbrantan se wono wo di ne dam dia ono so be ma na ma se no wo to se kan na na si akwasi apaw na funu ho a wo hwa na funu na ohwemu a wo ne se na funu benkum no na no da ye tam no de no ambulance na de no koy anope ni anya ne ntie se amso mfa no nkoji na menua wo ba na wo behwe mugya ehwiegu anim ho a ai na aroho abrantie no se nka nyame adom na teacher no wane so ni mu na asekan no ko na funu ho na nka ko no ko a nka tibete
Adom TV kasia na uguso ehwe no me konsam foforo mu na National Democratic Congress ekuo bi a no ehia ensakraye ewomu ekuo no kiremu a branch secretary ne ho na saa enkrata ne nyina wo na ne tibia mu sesia no enye papa enunti ene wo mu hia sensakraye ebemu Anthony Zonto ene ne Adom kase edin komoi
55 votes in Northern, which has never happened in the history of Northern. We find it very disheartening, to say the least, that owing to the flippant disregard of laid down party rules, regulations, and internal Adom Sem, who parades himself as though the party is a family property, and he himself and a sister, with other members, have allowed that the party has become engulfed with filth and inaction, but will keep adding numbers to the huge chunk of votes that it has received in Northern during the last presidential and parliamentary elections.
Adom TV Badwam kase na aguso ehwe no na ohina wo krubi tankraku eno wo kani wo no mudwuma fi se nei no bibia wo ye bia no tetefo nhoma ya na ye de adwuma wo muto musini santi no ama won kan ko no so kachi na nanimu asem Adom kase edeba
the challenge and work kase any network problem network heading yo so dem pass e kusi aban maini be ba won chan na onya network person bi edin komokra na onya se cost bi kra na se okwa obo mbeti no kra na mbre no kra na twam nti ene die a big challenge your hackers news hackers communication for no se obi a we ready bia no omra na omeboaye asase wo ho enya ade asase ho asam yedin
enko brekum na ewo bono mantam no emu posini bia ohia ne nkwanhia wuo no koso Adom kase edeba
ebeja de kwan wo James Nkwanta near Diaso Upper Danger West date near 6th Friday, 7th Saturday of May 2022. Okay, dear. You know, no so agile, no so agile. 5 years in. Yes, I just so near.
Bienya no so na Adom TV Badwam kasia no pay na ha no bema kwan na media sie bidin afia amankwa atamaklo ne ensem bebre wo ho agodie mu ensem bebo akwan sa Adom kasia yedase.
Adom TV so betwa ndwumadi efia dia wo kansi mu sempan sa kan no pay so ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agodie catch back up. The only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports, the Al Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and Messin Kunya Econo Quantum Collins Maudo and Saka, and Anno Penso, our Ghana Kudim Ejao, Shenosmam say, you may come, you know, yes, you don't come bed than if you're doma, 1x bet or Madama, only touch about medicine shells on Quetness Ejao. My catcher does a bet in the Uchani before, and I didn't before Uchani Kumabia, it's an Saracen MSQ, has an Econo Quakins, you know, Elcoyer draw, which we did, Tensa Pimu, Yer cannot name a Sabon Kai say, Jeffas Self Limited, Jeffas Naba, Edo Tashiba Cooper, would set me can be a little bit in Sabo, say a gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white feet, and so deep one natua, on Saka Jeffas a bit in bois. None of question no pa, but dance here, only Jeffas can save, or more than Yama 18 to year amount. Madama, and Omdum Sika Jitabo Chidom, a man on Pennsylvania, can see on Sempai and Saka 18 down. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins to the very first step. Here, and Fanfi EPL matches out and Suit and Pium now HBA. West Ham United, 40 Newcastle United, Elbow 1-1, El Mackenzie, Nafi Arsenal 2, Nafi so Bedford 1, Aston Villa 0, and Nafi Watford 1. International English Premier League Senna matches this year, Koyan on Yafa and Inchim of Spanish La Liga, and also results out with top family, Urchi for Transe, Eche Rival, Inti Niabano, El Sanema, ACL Cosiantin Tom, El Ghana Premier League, outstanding week 50 minutes of soccer fiesta between Accra Suffolk and Kumasi Asante Koende, goalless draw. Our Accra Sports Stadium. Na makacho da se has ene kodoko Omakensi no e na enye form guard a historical antecedent and e repeating itself. Amanfo ebeka yi pa referee Abeta Gbovi one the first Voterian referee akoba se has ene kodoko ensu hia omo Akensi very often no na akwa draw and afiso has eko Real Tamale United for kache ekobo draw na osa the nitness sache mu fie na so ne kodoko ebihyesia aka eno so etaye draw into we any abakosem bibiribe a e na etapima utimis Enkumase Asante Kotoko.
Mutari! Great save from Richard Atta! Because he knows he can't hit it with his left. It's Barnier, he beats Ganyu to it. Here is Barnier, now Obin Jr. Against the woodwork. And Barnier is aware of where his strike partner is. So Ben Jr. just controls the ball onto his left. Does everything right, beats that lad, but not the post. Scored against us when he played for Inter Allies last season. Now it's in Fege. Senogbe whistles for the end of the first half here at the Accra Sports Stadium. Asante Kotoko, and it's the Phobians who gets us going for the second half. Here's Asma. He beats Mohamed Al Hassan to it. Asma's cross! And Etuga can't find his 12th goal of the season. Look at the Tuga who holds his run on the penalty spot area. Should be doing. Hey! Great save from goalkeeper Richard Atta to deny Richmond Lamte for the second time. Kotoko, the Fega does the right thing here. I was wondering if Lamte could have gone with the first time, but he controlled the ball into fitness. Here's Kotoko. There's an appeal for a penalty, but the flag was already up for offside. Game set to play. Full time, has nil, Kotoko nil, but it's a game that has produced.
And say full time has 0, Kotoko 0. And no any game between SPM, Ghana's El Clasico, the Super Clash, no, Sena NDA, and no, but you come with you and then some more boy for you.
The players played very well. Then the challenge that we got is quite unfortunate, hitting posts and all that stuff. But I believe that there's a hope. There's a hope.
Well, you started very well with the long balls for the strikers to chase after, which did work well for you. By the second half, it looks like you were neutralized in that aspect.
Yeah. Sometimes when you use the high, that's what happened at the second half.
Do you think your opponents were better to have denied you a clear win in this game?
No, Kotoko is a good side, no doubt. But with this first round, they are on top, so they are good side. But we are struggling. But we believe that the day is still young.
And you still think that there's enough room for you guys to go all the way and defend the title?
Sure. To reach our destination.
What must you do to get that happen?
You said?
What must you do to make sure that happens?
Oh, just that we have to understand ourselves and the team unit. If we have that team unit, then we can go on.
And see, Coach Samuel Bodu can one fancy you are or say enka, say enka, sama enka by now in America. But I
the best game against Legon Cities. This is not a game, right? If I'm using the junior team for House of Folk, Kotoko cannot score me.
The House of Folk Abranti fence Dennis Nkrumah Kosa ono anenya man of the match e kan bo party team sampa oyanwa esa area boy na o park ne so team sampa Abranti no e che ne bobre yi pa.
In the whole, we played well, we were compact, at some point I said earlier, and then in the whole we all did well.
Personally, what was the inspiration? Because you seem to have gotten to A+ of your game today. What was really the driving force today for you?
I've played against them when I was in Dwarfs, both Hearts of Folk, and then now I've joined Hearts. It's the same protocol. It hasn't changed. Though they have a new coach, their team, I was just calm, just do the simple things on the field, and then we were there.
Dennis Nkrumah Kosa, man of the match between House of Folk and Kotoko. Ono energy or Kotoko and sister BSI or do say Omo Yadie or Wikimedia Omudim. Dr. Prosper Nete Ogum, a head coach at the Melkumase Asan Tekotoko. And also after the game,
we played some good possession in the middle of the park, created a few chances we could have scored, but then we couldn't convert them. Coming on the road to come and play in the manner we played, I think it's good for the boys. It's good for the team, and it's good for team confidence.
But your fans think that a free-scoring, top-performing
scheme, as I said earlier on, but then we couldn't convert. Sometimes that's how the game is. You get your chances, you don't convert them, and sometimes you lose. Sometimes it ends in a stomach. So even though we've been scoring 3-2 in every game, I think, I think we'll step up our performance where we've got into. If you look at the way they played, there is a lot of quality in the players, a lot of talent in the players. So we're going to step up our training. We're going to step up and take it game by game. And that's what we've been doing from day one. So this game is gone. It's the beginning of our next game. We'll go home, we'll prepare and make sure that we get the job done when we play at Kumasi.
It's in Yabarono coach Dr. Prosper Nete Ogum. And I'll tell you, cancel the Nkomo 18th Judge. And so, say anytime be a cast. Ene Kodoko Eddie Akensi outstand medium. Within the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo Wallace, a good catch back the only nomenclature the Professor Green Sports, the Regina Wallace. The BC Anamada the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Yano so, Yawana, Nanka, Yanu Pony, Shra, na ye, and Canfo, and Tontom, and Ka Nizinda. Mohanache is about who's a page Mezido is in Yamami Boatama, the Fantado president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Akawa Sonko, or baby, or Biara, a tune in Wahade, will promise so the next 20 minutes, no, best entertainment ever. Oh, Wahade, na, and the pay Yaman could say in a music, yes, no, or your Sonko cry. Now, Nizanakasa was the one you're calling certain. Bought a credential because Moba, Mohudin Power had the internal. My guests are the pay your calling sorts and Pedebe missed them interview, and Pedebe missed them 1-on-1. Ma, yeah, share video yina yembraces here.
I don't know when Timsa. And to what you yet, you a Chatoya guy, a Chessa we will be only more so. Our Beckroma was what you watch a shot to your guy. Also, the only answer, Sembian.
Kumawood Aka. Collins you know, friend call again, call again. Oh, no, yeah, my guess with your day, Aquaba.
Yeah, my dear, yeah, acto. The man, and then Mr. McCanfantini.
The man who,
in your, you come Fantana.
Aquaba.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Mushe, for across the comfort.
Of course. Answer me, I come farm and I'm a cafe. Just I'm a brown in a common farm. Okay. Dear farm is an ma Digitan by me, Muntum. Tina me blended.
Coffee a guy.
Premier for Conformia. I didn't kind of match ya Matty for any Afrifona and can confess them a cardilla or Christian village. I will the woman and say, me remu interest in
okay.
I na me play normal role. Na me play comfort role crowd.
Okay.
So I call it maybe some year story be na story be some do ye comfort and I'm say director. Gentleman to say me o de me be comfort dey asem kura ni. And no cross him ni hu bo me. Ma me kura me catch and say baby am free ba kwa wa. Ti me mpa bud na keka.
Okay.
O ma me ntwitwa me gate man na saa na be fa na o se kole. E de ani no. Onko ani be no wanya. A wanya asofo ama me. Wanya sikani ba ama me. Comfort de ani na onya ma me. Me ni asem ka. And you see one thing is as an actor no, so you versatile, dynamic.
Sure.
And ni kwa say wo de wo de si wani so say aduane nkwa na me bedie.
Okay.
Into o kan sa no, ma mpopomiti.
Okay.
And I can say oh, okay, ye nyina let's give it a try ni hwede nya. Me di no Collins no. Na ye corset so no ofre me. Enti no say okra odi na bale me kra do na say Collins kra na me na ne colleague.
Okay.
Enti director na de colleague but me ko hwe colleague no nche ase na say German kasa a kire madam fo.
Okay.
Enti me so me penipa. Enti me hu say kire madam fo de na obi aye madam fo.
Manyen.
And I'm a jitum.
And I actually colleague na say.
Because
na de bia me ka de nti obi baby na oyebusum bi mponizin.
Colleague
na za to do.
David Collins.
Madase. Ninti no Konfu brand no. O de gude carrico.
Ipa. Okay. Nti na say ya benya digital Konfu. Say no obasi ni dwuma ni mu a me nkwa me ne Konfu a me ne nananom WhatsApp ye.
Hey.
Oh, what then? We buy me the laptop na ye adwuma. Ye mfa be sen ne CD biem.
Osmosis ceremony sababo somebody.
Oh, amount for the snap egun some dem the champagne. Baileys. Red wine no. Oh, more be sen na me pizza.
Na no when we on there.
Me premier ni.
Na iti baby misa attack bi eni won ma because I na yet dey say which has ne dam na say
the bia na me ka say competition no eso e na one obi som nso na ade di agro nti abre ni abre nyina no ya na yesre ne bom paye say mpanyimfo mfa nche nya efeudie na emom no e agro ni bi I remember say me koye adwuma bi a me gina set ne so a me call off me twahwe.
Wow. You play Kung Fu role,
yeah. Play Kung Fu role, yeah. Talking about. And me suffer mo friend no be bomb pie no na me ni ba me ho so no. E na o kire se tama na me act no. Na honhom bi twam na nsem na me ka no fi se maben.
No bwero.
Nti wo hwe tumi a me so me branch kra me wo. Se no nim se me branch free. Me branch free. Nti wo kam na se hom popo ye no. E no kra me da dem bo so me.
Wow.
Yale boss. Adwuma bia problems home. Enti uhunu sade obesi edi wo nkomo no ahwe wanam afa at least na onso obetimi akọwanim. Eno na ehye mi.
Na erika da wo bompai was nsagu fom bompai na de wo hwasofo bi mo mpedamete ho.
Oh me bo nyame mpaye.
Okay.
Ye bo nyame mpaye because ade ba kwa mi say Bible say tumi nyina hini ni nyankopon. Enti if say mekomo bi ana mepem
we hefa
oh me wani mu pa oh wada
ezibu pa
mi di mu pa
no oye fine papa na ya yetete nsam de bia set do worry trout sene na ze na bia no bia poison bi da nsam no oye okodo na
on say bi na me ka say dwuma bia won challenges. I remember say it got to a time even among my colleagues no cry me problems. Because obi ne me ye ntokwa kasa se magini rule ansa na
erba
meba
okay
enti kai hunu se nipa na wo no owo ho na wo ba no on fanetra ana o ma fanetra but I believe in say ye nsua de ye make impact.
Yes
e wo adwuma na ye no it's not about edutuo it's not about poison de me ye no wontimi nye e na de wo ye me ntimi nye nyame na de ma ye nyina e message a ye nyina no ye na ahoya ahonhom raw mu nese also be poison me mfa because said ye me ma carry me message no e different from said ye will carry your message and it's such challenges no ho pa
me pe me kan pa e mo asem me kan dey irim
Sure.
The sky is very big. It's star bia be shine.
Of course.
On found the number of stars or so. Obi abashine. It's minimum why you said that many day. You na any late bishop.
Sure.
You fine pa you need play a lot of roles.
In fact, meet me akase in the time of Bishop Ebwami.
Wow.
Because aside adwuma na ne ye no na ye very close into no semini ni hia ye yisi ne to nchen. Acte se obi ne niema. Enti ne ye nim ye hote ye ho ase. Enti asem bia na free me mu ba kra me ka kire no me ka minim se enye ne ya.
Okay.
Because acting no se uko into deep na utimi kan obi ho asem a ebi asasem na kan na wo ne ho.
Sure. What she be them?
Oh yes.
Wow.
Na adwene be ne say bia wafa de tirimu kantina wafa sa platform ne so de cassette ya no. But bia na won so the acting mood no ewura wo. A wo pese wo active free wo mu. But ni be no say akwai say along the line na me no tele enso ye very close. Me no edi agronti rapport no between you and artist bi na mo ye o kan asem a it me show pa.
Wow. Into no that dam no na che da afi bishop ana.
Hey, big time. I remember say me ni scene bi a o ka kire me say wow they hear from the head to into where me chia no na me say what can some na shim pa. At that time when ohun say me yi sini ato nchen.
No, is why o yo pa.
We dey wa ye me. Wo yi sini na to no wo ye me personal. I'm so I dey am na shim pa but o dey we ye fun. Enti no whatever came out no on say ye disini ne to nchen.
Amen. Amen. On that note no mamu bo bibi kakra ye hu na mo game bi empede me uzi mo cat bi o ha de mama afa e ba sa bi na do do na ya mom nti no wo ma ye share colleague ni video kakra na ye sam ba
wonne hwan so be gina manim ene me magiye kate wonim ni pa me ye anti wo gina manim na me kasa tasa me mapodam
oh yeah nice guy oh kafra
me kafra so that they come and near say message I take message chaka won to so na ka wase fo nyina na hwade wo pon
and yes I no me go team now hoto mapodam no me na waka no sister so na hoto
me mapodam
confo colleague no size hey confo be a guy
mo ya kwankire
then
Simon Abidjan Simon ni bi Simon ya hu ya o ya
okay, but it's no cat ni e ma pede be fe basa na zo wodo no ya
you may know one after the other na me
sing a line of a rap song into no efa rap song okra na ato kakra mo
rap song okra sumayi mai
sumo
wana me kaka mitiri mo sen
okay no I will my situation kakra mo
no na me
say lo come I dey to dey be to me rhyme na azin na
what day
wala mama rap line akom rap line
ayo me ma so ne so de yeah me inside dey colleague konfu me inside ajeda me wu oso obey o sabi oso obey o sabi
it's a rap now
yeah the digital comfort
yoko okay he so say do the na comfort colleague be slow motion kakra TikTok isn't
no kra na sa no mesole ana hey na dia wo de not to tankuru am
okay it's what I'm like ready what my colleague nyom kakra na o manu mu me slow mo
slow mo Obapa enough from I'm need the honjo
okay hey Mon for 5 and the action the portrait 5 seconds
asamba pe de cha se de mi ye nyina amo ame
for two mama 3 2 1
me mo no wan say ho na me mo ne no mana
elfa bestiana
na bestiana oi ena mom besia preko na me hu se
baba for
because me nya besia dia me ntimi mo
Okay, sing the second verse of the national anthem.
David, second and God bless our homeland Ghana. God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation flower. And never go me Johnny Frena artist is in fact on some funny me too. Make us share fearless honesty and make us to say suppress to a for that way. My forevermore. Mon fan is
off camera no na yezu nkomo bi fa most must say fan there you be ask be nyimpa no post or pedo or ye o da da wa na we share honom na ochodo za ye yo
of course
na share experience be.
Oh yeah I remember say near location so artist bi e bo masoma adwuma ni free me mo say me nya adwuma ni bi. And I didn't know say no me wo personal problem a me boni din.
Me cho yim da na la ntika.
Woni wa ya no me kan so wo hu ne ho. On say na no asem ni nti.
I da misro isro de kakra.
Oh da bi misro no. On say
because no yim da na na nyine kasa no na yi da ka asem na na yeso.
Oye used to and fine me fan say sometimes no adwuma no minim how a ebinum sua wo mo de fa e de. But me, I believe, sir, we all have to learn certain things. Ebema, yes, acting, we act. It is not aware.
Okay. Again, is who come?
Oh, a see, I don't know, pa me hotel.
Okay.
And until I'm in Pese, Messa, I go because I pa me hotel. As an anastel, as who say, ya on that so ye day. But or pa me hotel.
I show you also in Chile, because I didn't to me.
Sir, you trust when into I'm in Pese, mechanic, say, Mary new no. It's a nice health insurance no.
Matasi. Into no and anonymous no subotana.
And whether no a free oh yeah. Momo me na sa na wo me a dia aka nyina no ye betena chire ni aka.
Na 11 samsami ye tuana.
Let's be fra ba no ho.
Let's ye ntua.
So ba je tum say yentua de a me yo man ba sabi mi said you no beka say e beje atum say enyi ntumi no sabi o me ka say enyi ntum kra na aba no so beje atum a me ni say e na Ghana fon so say yempe o say aba ni tie
na yen but that say papa comfort colleague it was a pleasure having you here na me show bebre na edwuma no so o ma wa hozen na o ma ngosa it's be edwuma because he abambo
very
na me show papa
amen so
wa hade na ye rekwe mpeda sign out
ai me nchia mienu miensa bi enkoma madofo sabi me maame me papa ma Ghana for mo support no mo nkoso support no mo follow your social media handles no Facebook or Comfort Colleague, Twitter or Comfort Instagram or Comfort Colleague, YouTube or Comfort College Vlog. And minua baako me no enyina sign aside acting me ton no ba offer motors opposite Shell filling station no. You benya bia ma na on so with me free.
Wo free
it me the free kakra bia we atime the to ase na ya ma ka na otete wi
no you fine
bia
papa won kona
ka na jeje won so atime de ba ma ba we che foforo
hey no hoyede
oh guy offer motors
yeah kebe na ma mi no so nsa che paint fu me ba
sa anyo
wow nyame esho
tafo
internal colleague sign out my yerko ti yerpon create yashafo na yenko
ahwefo ye soleso yes only so na ye shrel say obekoso a na ahwe pro na second team madam ne contract yira na emom no jiwani ne esre said you could communion that's an ebese hia Comfort Colleague ni
na anyi ya that's papa I will say yes I do
also amya ho a sepe ye Comfort Colleague obia woni de ti ano no de adu so no so hu hia papa ne ba se wom guso aso yasne DBS roofing sheet ye do mo ase se wodan no edu mo so nko ade wo hia eye DBS for enchansen tokora wonti o gisade e chen na obehu no se condition sika wunya ye fan sika na wunya ye a woni problem DBS of one chance and we are not a dynamo that wow container bin 1 year now here and chance in Guso and our hospital. Bibia will see a here and chance in dear Gusono, a DBS of 4 day and I may come for a day amount. St. Andrews Senior High School, so here in Quadaso, Ope Senior High School pa, and Oba Common and a dachi at 2 point dear. St. Andrews Senior High School, and I may come for a day amount. Your board and woho. One more a year be was St. Andrews Senior High School. So all for show me for Banuko Senior High School, a St. Andrews Senior High School. Now we are that you see a pet a be an ABSC, but on te because Uncle Mo say no ya na say kwa ko di akire obi a ko ka kire obi a bohu ana 10 or na ehu be hia se wa fi sam so no ye di sa enkomo efi se oba wafo bi a yaw pa woni mu yaw die wona kuma mu so aba ni nyina ne se womo abayo a womo ne tie se maid servant obi a womo ene no atifie womo mpa ne so pe na ni na edin se ebi a obehuru bibi se krampo ewo wonma fam ne so ade no anya asi se otraya so o ye fimu ana picture na aba beda na ni so emisa san kwam koye na we kura nka enye na bufu so omo ade so omo tie duru san komo we de ese me kwa asofo ne nan so omo boye de nyamesem no so hyebu bie na se bia wo experience bibi saa ana wakọ saa te bia mu som nom ne ade nyina mu no asa sori ahomache aba na wo se papa yeda na si bebre Bishop Michael Adofo Peace Chapel International na Roma aba papa no peye mu ache mu akwa aba
yeda ma
yeda senso adaje ni poso woni fache di nyankopon oya ade o so otimi de yebo na eche
that's right
ona ode yam form so che ye minu aba mi ntimi famina nhye ni show no mu seconds akora ehia moa oya wontumi fa nche be ma no so nya so wondo no age na dia no wonni chese I don't know o hwe ensisia
me da say echa wati fu beso ora ware mu you must able to prepare for change also be else see no ema ensesa ebi na abai yeah
ensesa we dey no e
on say onye obofo bibia betu bi esi and this o sa de na anya onwanwa de o kan so fu bia oba menche na o say ona na yire di nkoma na yire ka ken say so no so fu na yire nete
ayo
na yire na ka ken so fu ye mema ye obi so fu na yire na so fu na say kontumi ana na adwo ade ndra so fu na nya he didn't prepare for change when CS was answer bit by my wife nyame homobo next week manya 29 years over him ade na me pebio many afri agemfu ade na me pebio me ma nwa sa wo yire na wo sa apple bi me nti ase how many sex dia na wo ba no na so enye sia wi na wo say ontumi fa nche no o sa okay say ai say baby a ma me okwa asore no say oduru okwa asore na ye wa nche na on fa de nche Matthew 18 enye easy na so aba na mpacho o so fa nche na aba eden because they say so fa nche no sebi e bucket se gomodi mpa onye ni yi ni ho ba ye wahi o ba ye na basa ade ni brade but o ba bia ntia se e betumi ato obia ana baburu ma mokura kofo akasefo ato wo mu na mesra me ma se basa because onyame bo tie o de shower de de se ma me ohoi o ma okunu se okunu nye wadamfo udwa na chino so nwa wachi ma ye di kai to opo bi wadamfo pa se ye okunu so number 1 God established marriage for companionship. Number 2, to avoid sexual immorality. Number 3, to establish a home. Now, my warrior, I'm a sack of boy, said it. But the king can be boosted more say, send ye a samado and in Swadiano. Sana many tea. Memon in Swadio, or what it to or call, also they are my boy, you say. Account if you are sabrable. And our enu prepare for change. As I said, but betu me aba, betu ma to bia. Na so fa nkyere dia obey den. Obe so oja abade. Na na adwo. Ukunu pa de baye wi. Wan na ntumi nya ose bi. O je den. O madam kunu. Ade na obey am. The same efie. Dentra enibre. Sika enibre. Sese dia akoba no. Obi a pese onya bibi. Ti kwa bi obefa so bia. Na me wan say, mo amoye mmai. O de won tesa. E ma bebre ntesa ba e ma bi their old enemies. oyonko ba Ahmed na mo ya kan yina no the bone of contention ma me na ade na ye ne ya no mere bi na be dis of for a check akra na obi di matam sa na me nti bi da sa de na esi ti me come so for ogude me say papa e di matam o so kwa bre di watam de ya menya o ya sa na game enti we no enye ne ya you can't do anything about it eso e na sa
Ampedu ka bibi na me na mante ba akokora nti na eje so sa abam biem ti ye ne Bishop Michael Adofo na edi enkomo ahwe ye nua ba no ne yawo a ene okomu ewo misa papa se yem plane na bibia wa
plan for change o aye wo bon so aye bu ya digo so for example ewura wasi so obeware be ma ne nyanya ho ade o nyenya ho ade wo be kono na plan se ho o se be do no enti to bia e ma ne bi ehu red flags na so sebi odo bi a me hu se odo tintan bi na achi wo mo na omudi akiri enti bo ma onyame bo ena oso opel emprantwe ne nyame mpe na mo de mo twe mo mbran mo ten na wo twe mbran mo ne we ko na onyonko ba de aduane aba na ote ho na be ma na se ne de ye woda ade me invite ho ha oba asabi a wo bo bra be ma tumi a wo nware ho ejojo na de ko na so ko obi kura tumi ne empran ko the name of love ebi wo kura obe ma nware na obo be ma onware wo
odobro
o dabi e de odobro sabi e yare e sabi ajimisem ye nware wo na ye ware okra e bo asanye ade na eso bo ba obeba bi obo be ye coward enti se ne o kan e bo ba ya yehu ba ya de ebu ya ni guso
odonti
ade we odo do understand we for medicated do me ansa na ke se odo enye bone nti be ma so odo no ye bone a ne do na ye fake enye genuine nti ya na muhu na so sabi ne ya ka mi ntu se de na ha mu obu ofo se ma nwa na mewu bewu be ma obu bewu o twe mpran bewu onya nwa awo ejuma me ye nti wa na obi aba counseling ase mi fiancé na de mpran kora no mama cross fire no
ya modify
mpran o mpran ase mi fiancé na obekeka na me ndin na opewe obeka for 19 fie mi ensa there's no sex here boy bra not one day ayenya bufuo na nemo mo se mo hwe mo suba na mo ko aware na chese engoyi enti de wo bisa me no yehu na ya na ebu ya ni guso ena de se bia oba ya oti aware ase bia obo se be boso ba kuku ni wunhia onyare nya so oya akonche kra ye break na na bia ye fu aje ba bo mere o se ena ya man mo kan ada na da bia se okuna no beda wo so ne nkoda bia eno ade no
so ya mframa
so mo mframa ache nti oba wote wona na wotwe se okunu ori bia wodi mfie bia de oso nkode ya ne ene bo na be che na 20 30 40 50 60 na wotwe oji awa o ye den enti sa ne ma no so hu se da bi
sa na wotwe bia de ese bibi happen
wasemwa na no de ade
nti ensi na toa so say ye ni ba ho
se de o kan no ensi a esi bi sa de ntra ebia be table so no empa so de no fa kan ho
wa ma ya po no
enti ensi na wotwe a ense se oba wafo bi etie me onu be matia every week something must happen. It depends on your age. What you fear you so them no born here now 40 50 years you say on there 2-3 times a week. They say
be an ne dey be obi o ho thrice a month boy and twice.
Oh, the no be man no dey entra. The be man odidi da bia. Na say didi have to didi. Esa into oba na ne be man ti na otwe ba ko. O ma hemfie. Na otwe bi no o ma hemfie. Me hawo. No kwasebe se obema na wote na wo ma wonche wa amant no nyare a owo mpana nti wo yo ba bible so ba nyanse ni osi wife no supposed to be w ne wise woman oba so ni da for won se da bia dey we say who nti ma
o de papa bie ni
wo senta to aso a akwa na ogire ni ba
ni enye bre no wa bre nya pressure bia
na we so bia bre nko a bia nko a
say amuso ma bre as a pressure edumasem sikasem
ade pressure tire says wa ware ma onyini che o twempra de ebo tuma wuntam but
oh I don't say omo a meme I don't know. Oh yeah, no, or the abon who suffer him as a sandy boy.
It's a lie.
Mom says, I said, Bama, there's only about me. I'm some of the more mamma, maybe I know quacks. Me order they live with their wife only. Bama be out here me. Open quatentin and show who see. Because actually, some for one day more bar. For one day, mamma, in your bar, or the other. Now, when I see the ball, it's a lie. When you go point or boy, it's not normal, it's abnormal. And you're correct. It's anti-scripture, it's unholy. The question is, me oire. Dear, I made Jeff about for me. Question. And you baby, sir, no, ye be a man. Oh, I didn't cut you and I bring oh, there be one way a man must want on. I am Adam and Eve style, Munyai. I say, and a minimum. And now, baby, what are you doing? Your baby, dear me, dear, there be a you can here. Eddie, there be a kiss and my job, Debbie. And I get bedroom, you know, baby. I was some crown. I didn't go out. I don't want to be now. It's a man, yeah, 2 years said you go. It will be. Because, for example, sir, I've been be say, me couldn't any better. That be, yeah, better. Yeah, but in the Torabia. Also for Agrono. Now for mouse ties and also any come. I don't know. Many bay dear one shemu dear, but it be a bedia foot to kakra. Say ye on say and penetrimu and now who nipana walk cotton or not. I don't know. Atmosphere near different. Ye worry nya be 1 year hokaya ni muya kakra. Be 2 3 na akraba akunya bema. Papa na bibia se son. Yeah, sure, sir, and also to me, Bricky said the maker say, man, oh, say, also one man. This is the maker say, I broach to say, you keep money at the a man be or I know me now. Only by my way, it was a band betray the car. Until they with you. Okay. Chrome house or so, maybe I be most of your slave queen, be more man, or more pema, or more pecum. Okay. And on my tower, the arsenal, while weighing and the berry in tea. Sabi, in Poko, cry, on your said, when you put on one country and say, Oba oni pedua ye okunu dia koronto for home medical itinso ni pedua na from here to here including this one na was including this one everything and as akra be mu akra wa ya 2 years na na fa ya odia aka bosumi sia pe ba wa for na meti awade ase no ma sede no baabo no kasa koronto for home medical itinso wo se oba ma okunu ne yese enti nyamre ma oma but ma wure mfi nkwada na wawo mo no ombenyi wani kwahye o maso tu maja be ma na waso be yese ne make so be nka say ma o ma tense but also to me trance now strategy is okay emre ben na so be de ma mo fra o maso anopa o mo ko school o be no mti ya dware wo mo de na homework o ma ya na nyimre ni nyina na doso then this anka so nya once a week na e date that day. Ma worry the fear do osia kura 30 kura once a week there. I say kunu dey. Asesem kura mun ko nante na kakra. Do we kura once a bia na mako ba kunu tu kwan. Man ko ba bia kura Ghana ha ba bebre akoso mbo. E bebre fine. Bebre mun ko ba bi ntra. Enkra kura we tonye ba bia akose. O labadi beach ho. E be bo ho. E be bo. Nti oba nyamre ma wo ma. But never underestimate the power of ukunu. Ayasa was best. But for me, sure say ene utie ye nua ba some week 2 weeks no hu so dey so ban by this time wo hwɛ me o ma na nida ho. Week no a week kada week wa menti ase. Some ne afraid you ate. Ya se me ya ko nchi. Me ko Mount Orem. Ana me ko Orem. Na ochi ensida. To ensida me ko sister ye ba. Nti na wo gina wona so. Na ne ba so wo dey ya. Nyame de che yense yenye efa nye ni. Eh vision. E wo mu eye. Ahonya. Dem ka so fukura de sa de nde. Obo ene obi ate se bia ananya no tie o. Ke papa de ankanya so funku leader obiara wo gine ne panimu de. Esa entoto na se. Efeje mfo afa no nka me. Nti de nti anopa me anopa ewe anwumre anajo ahima. Da bia na musa eboa pa very necessary. I mean me ko bia de o si na me ka we. What the 40 years o se mabre. What is wrong with your head? Wait me akache na ye de enu e bai e bia niam bi a hyase 1 to 20 years nti se de o kan ye no e na bia aye ne se futu bi wo ma wo mu aware wo mu enware wo mu ewo mu afi no mpeso wo mu ware de di kan se e ma me no akanfo so de bone chana fa hwenche na ojojo no den. Okay papa facha me ma me nyen krato isi mayimra na ye ba ye beto so Yada say samu akwa baby me Adom TV Badwam efisem komo ene yedie no ebi betimi ato esanse wonye wo hwehwe yie die Bishop Michael Adofo kano efi na koyenye hwehwe nyina yie na enkoso papa we de ye last submission na yento
and the mesre say e ma warfo no because obema ne obate no kofa ni media de na ekoso e ma bebre ho no mo ware wia o mo wa e bo se nyame pa bat ye fa me man of God man no by azana God no be kan nti de obema bi ape bi me so we pe me wo ai nti o me yi feje mfo ne oni agro da bia na o gwa na chenyi nanim wo ni ti we no ntare yi tie atre contest me ade na 19 years nkoto a o di promise eboa wo so de o gas mre na cartons ebe ma ye e wura ye oni o ma ye o gas mo ye cartons ye cartons o gas mo
so wa dwen ba we
e na ho se be ma ba won chajeje no so digede tata ne ade obem we free wa chire kese bibi wo hono mo a enko ye wasetre mo wa ho sie sie
Bishop be to nkomo yeso
o we to asomawie we wadi 74 o ye waiter me time no 3 minutes oba 74 ni
sa
se de odi ni ma so ni mem o se de sebia efe e wura so jeja ho na mema ye break nka be ma so pa cho o zip na ya tu eni pa so de yesu baba o
Adaroma wabɛkyerɛ yade ɛyɛ very simple but brief me sure so was share bibi nyina yɛnkɔ Facebook na enumere yɛnyamra ne yasɛtie me ne Bishop DC ya me kwaba me nkɔmɔ foforɔ wɔ kyerɛ ba yɛbɛtɔ so yada CBM yasamu akwaba da Adom TV Badwam dwumadie yi ɛso na fisam kɔmɔ no ɛna bre aso na Kennedy digital satellite 4 One more bomb was where Chad and the Yans or Beto Bibi. The overturn watch at the end so tahu pofu at the mount. Bemenez Amoquaba.
Yeah,
last week he didn't come off.
Yeah,
I mean, I don't was had an chain.
No, correct.
It be a national visual team.
Adom TV, a tearful in a dassy. A modern day break Ghana for a nano pay. A TTTTR. Ye bisase ufie home appliances, electrical gadgets or hono. And some to say electricity bill a woutiano, and what to say prepaid now autono. Cost rana we bisa ho questions bi ebia na yentu mu de na so ebia na nyoma we use fi na dada eno nti ama electricity bill no na ade ne check air conditions na e wo ho no aye dada a che Mr. Kennedy digital satellite the promotion bi aba as a promotion ni say we obia wo to air condition we ho a che say ye ma more than 70% discount e air conditions aye akofa ba gina so condition brand bia ebi e Kennedy digital satellite ni entwe nyina wahoden kanea no eno ni akofa bebre di aba nti anopa yi mu amowa Ashanti region ena mu so amo Greater Accra se moda aba mam Ghana fo nyina ena aba mam isanse ba bia wo at the comfort of your home o frey ya e be deliver na ema no e dia na fesu Kumase kro na wo kopatase nso a your police depot nchen ho Adom house ho ena ebutuo ubedu nkran ha ena odu ani kire wager old barrier kokro bite junction so opposite ho na Kennedy ya bie ye shop no tafa obekoro je se niam esum ho no ese wani sa o ka kire da ne da me nyina bebro na onso wo ho ato afi bo no efo na de den se uto air condition ba ko bia no a ni wunya e ceiling fan ba ko enti me no wanka e bia wasi hotel bi ni ade ubeto ye ho a obesanya ceiling fan e de abobom mama bia kama office auto air condition a wunya ceiling fan e de abobom ye numbers won kran a o friend enso e wo 0244 33 074 750 0243 074 750 Accra numbers no phrase ya na yebejo so na enema bia ohia say home appliances nkwande Kennedy digital satellite be ma wo TV ni so a numbers ni gu ho obetumi afa no afre no I enjoy discount akobo ase upebi atu akotachiman upebi atu akotamale ba bia Mr. Kumase for no e 0244 3851 28 0244 385128 and 0207 65 30 31 0207 yedi bebre aba unim say Kennedy commercial fufu machine no say eno ni business aba obi eye bi san say utobi kosi umpotem nko ade a de bia wanya ntu botom kura no benya 200 cedis atu botom na otwe yesen bosome yesen na nu nansa no ayo de for prekope na wo so ya adwuma wura wa bia adwuma mamamfo ye bi enti me sa baabi na hwa de na hwe mpuntu ebeba wa brabom wo be create adwuma afei wo usika sam so be kosoro na fufu machine no we say the whole Ghana Kennedy ene kofa baaye enti Kennedy fufu machine de e ho asem no wa ma ye ho na ko baabi fufuro na konya problem e wala ye wo de yusu ofie ai no so we be say oba ne mre enya fie na pampampan ufie wura domestic fufu machine bi ne ko yusu na bibia be kama ma afei choba fo mo so amowo pretty restaurant ne ade mo ye nuane bebrebe ne ade mo ye nkwan ne stew bebre no ye de mako machine aba na sam bia jenne ni de keka duro garlic e be yam ne fiko e de ama yesre maka chro say ya so ye no ba ko won kran Weja Old Barrier Kokro Bite Junction so opposite and afi uko Kumasi a family plaza bro sign honso ye ho sanso na Kumasi krona so ura ejuma ubenye sika gu botom e chance wato car sanse no unkoto spare pass ye wo de use fuel and ye wo de use light ti ba bia wo no ne ope bia ye de nyina ebebrew ama aye kama e de amawo me sro me se papa no e na ye Kennedy commercial fufu machine nemum de aka ne de yentimi nka ho asem nkyerɛ ti bra beto we ho na bra na onsoso ebi enwuma ma Ghana fo nya binye na bibia enye kama badwama so na sa TV no smart Android esa so ye 4K na TV no for chain TV bia mahu market na chese wo hwa wani nya wo ya we nye TV e be ka se men trans street men hwe ye de no betima tran ba bia na wa hwe intime sere se upe TV abo officer bo modern se oba beto K badwama so ye ton 1000 cedis ene ne keka ka ho na so ba ya so ya Yet about 749 cities. Kennedy digital satellite no ye se to ade ne enche wade enu achi sign enjoy discount be bree efa eka ho Accra said me kan your number 0244 36 and 0243 074 750 0243 074 750 enu ya Accra numbers no Kumasi numbers there 0244 38 51 28 0245 3031 kuma amene wo twetwe enwa bia nti ya so ne tin sempa ewom e bia ubie eye fashion school uhia industrial sewing machines ni bi anase wo kura opese wo kosua fashion uhia machines ni bi ope commercial one bi industrial one ni bi ni nyina ye obi ho bra beji bi ebo na efo beji bi anopa ya mentwetwen so kura oba bi ena opese wo fashion school a beji bi koma no mesrewa afi ena you ni nyina bi ho two bena nkwala de student obia mo amoye national service mo de nyina bi ho enti mesre brabe to bi de oven wom ni nyina yo bi ho ne chese ewo step case wase ni nyina ye woni nyina bi ewo Kennedy digital satellite and mesre decoder bia wo pato any decoder bia person or recharge no oba Kennedy digital satellite onsa ebeka bi afi mo nso amope washing machine use ofie eya mi bisa bra wo gens no madam sia obre kaki no oba ni sia obre ti mesre to washing machine ko fie fama obai e free 12 na sound dry near no Kennedy digital satellite nkutu ene be yes na ma we e di amount ti mesre wo de bra ho ne beje odie afi air condition no ye wo ebia ne de enei hu se air condition bia boba e ho gas ene eba enu bi ni akofa aba ti bra beto enu bi se de be ya ohia gas de aguma wonya enu bi pepepe fridges any deep freezers de ye honum ye be hwesu miensa Kennedy digital satellite no afemu amuton provisions ene mu amuyi ice block mu so so amochele drinks edema girls ne ton no mumra ho ne ene mu ebedi dwama bibia aye kama popcorn machine de ye de bebriaba eno so another business awoye unye so ye mintimi nka woto ade e becho ade nti bomodi ewura ho ope ceiling fan bi ho ope microwave bi ho ope iron bibia bi ho afi ye girls na animu ti ukọ Accra Kumasi shops ni mu a ombenya abotra show na bibia ye kama presla mo ewo weja ombeboa wo afi all shall pass ono so ye crowd se bra bibia wo de oniema ne ko ga me de numbers na ma osisi a je ne tie ne nya adaje ne tie ye wo frɛ ya ibenya abotra ma ye be cheche ne mu achiro bibia wo bia no na ye ne wo adidwa ne ache wade so e de aka ho mesre wo Accra eno ane se wo de wo be frɛ e wo 0244 28 65 3031 0207 65 3031 where afi your numbers are can so be 0243 074 750 0243 074 750 and 0244 238 5128 0244 38 5128
digital satellite ya do mo ase nti ya do oni se wo na wo home appliances ne ma bia no won sentiment kan bia ye nyina ne nkomodie no so na no pay wo afisem so no yem fancy ha medin e de afia amankwa tamaklo ya do bia ase wo ba kofia mpedu Priscilla ebi ne ayi Kasim omo ase papa Yusuf eni dina ho bia ne semo no timi ko ma hine kwabna sante e de pense mo no eto aso promoto e de semfo from bro sa Adom kase ye dase.
Well, yeah, that when you must say try and come on so one say obia also wajibra hwe bibia no ebri bia da kase da say also wajibra say so papa cho de mo ka bia na be mo krom kasa mo ka na bem mo krom kasa mo ka na bem mo krom kasa mo ka na bem meso me ka bem
na nya Ghana kasa
mo ye na me dia hafoto so enyina be ka chire
on the joy Brazil is you on the joy nzo
on ko so kan mo wi an my introduce program no Abo kasa untu krom kasa zuka so ka you know kan mun ka first 10 minutes mun ka
e da nyame singu no ahye mo be kan okay na mo ache o te se o mi zaman kika mi wo na this jam no be program
let's research I want to say we for national organizer
yo
no campaign mama ate
what the papa
so en zaman na mo ke
Make a brusa or Cassifi. Win and an Indian Yashi. Of course, more than that.
That's a crown of him if you back one joint to because Bruce and
I can't dear any free baby back. Always settlement and on the my language.
I see. Anyway, Emamuna Kwaba, honorable champion Richard, that's Beer East, right? Beer East. I am impressed by the DB.
Minister Nelis now
or two for some dancing in Abuja, but try Beer East. Yeah, that's yen. Maybe so.
I want you to be obvious. Some link road be and more. Main road in the link or some Aquami and Son a link in the capital.
Beer East. Is it?
I wasn't enough for cleaning.
Yes, indeed. Omonia
15 regions, not the buyer.
Yeah,
Transport Minister or the 15 regions.
Road Minister.
Road Minister no 15 or the buyer.
Yeah,
instead of 16 regions no.
Anyway, whilst we are waiting for
the
rules no. Oh, Bibi anytime can say there on can was them because asphalt overlay remember a corona mepe edi I said since 2018 come to Anamon. Ubaba te say there. Na na one for me. I'll get it for you. Whilst I'm waiting.
What's enough friendly listen?
Okay, Western North. Maybe na say say be a Western of New Cry. En Kurono there. We say be sure maybe I'm ready for you.
What do that film? There were 16 regions. Now submitted a report to Parliament. Now submitted 15. No, you are region free man. Why I capture Kurono? What do you share region be? Oma hene kabo Kurono there.
Minimum Kurono mu. We never because the BNP.
Na one Western North.
Me who Western, but me who Western North.
Western North name. Na say me who
Western North for her.
Kurobe no.
Seshi bekwai sukusuku.
Bekwai we you also asem na working.
But Western North, and that's what they have here. Western North. List of completed roads project. Western North. Seshi bekwai sukusuku 9 kilometers is here. Who assign so there for
assign so yours.
Okay, then I'll draw their attention because Taka Pristia Hunivali ne Tano Chrome there say Western. Western. Okay, all right. Okay, so hey, but how?
Oh my, also me no me dim huni. Nti me tell of video soon to futuro enwa manfo ni so. Abaya de na ye say bo na baso. What attention to it.
But this is serious.
Very very serious. Yen kasa kwa omahene.
It's more major roads be there when anti-man get captured.
A double chrome to Nkran Kwanta. And a link to Kasapen go so a meme. And a double chrome to Debiso. And also a link up to your so. There's our comments in Yano. free her say Accra, but me used to be at the basin and the Cocoa rules are for contracted.
Cocoa, no one ya crack any back in Kenya.
W. Ya bona almost a ministry. I'm on file a report to no crop on running.
Have you really pushed for this report?
Oh, yes. Something fear madam for pa.
But I'm surprised though.
Now what
no the man it's the OB steady, me steady. But I'm surprised.
Now parliament ankasa ye bisa question. Me ankasa kuma bisa ho question. Minister na say omonya sika number yes akwan no. Ebesi ne. Metma pull question on my phone so that actually say I know it my phone.
What is the challenge? And I report in authentic.
No sir. You got someone who so be court.
Report when you are quite indicting with what we
and will be in a court to home. And I want to want them to be a disika obi award contract some other dealings bi wo na be sin na ban so ye hwe han and na be live na okun tokwa to o man sika kodi obi ho
oni sa krata ni bi no na mun generate sa interest they be say ade ba ko edi kun wa kwan no was that enioma ekoso contract akoso efa contract o work as no yesusu say dream bi ni kata se bi oman ayewie na wo sa oman he no oman ye timu we no oman panyina kwantu o tu kropo no ye se omabu akwantu sa information ye guso ye president also from America president to move in a convoy with 15 vehicles 15 vehicles spend about $150,000 yet here in the America for spending our presidential convoy I don't know ye ka say oman ye team taxpayers money no man mature democracy yeah dey ye ho ahomti. Yes, yeah, cocaine. Uber say Kua. Now the campaign, and Tiana cried for you, and Kakra. It's the uncle to America, Germany, London, Canada, and Australia. Maturity level in terms of their body politics. There's a big gap between because how class is here, as is here, forms to crime people for information, dear politician, dear politics. Even in America. How are Trump managing COVID? Yeah, no moment to abetiano. Because people got the information say he did not manage it well. And the end to abetiano. It's a politician now. So I see. I thought I say it will pushing for information. As MP, my follow question on the floor of the House. Minister no certainly do me. I don't mind to answer question. No. Or says I'm quantum dama contract, yeah, terminated contract, no. When resources are available, you better award the contract, no. Which minister also on Aboya office in 2021, I buy common for one city could I want to ya. 2021. Me na make a chiro. O ma me a member of the local government committee. So I come but encash the whole year.
Me chiro say no. Me say a member of the finance committee. One city abayan tree.
Maybe a quarter be never came, but the whole year. How do we run the assemblies?
Do you know what happened? I told you I did not present the budget. No, it's a man tree come for any my assemblies now. Now they better now for budget presentation. Taxpayers' money.
Now no Obejina can summon your attention for the people as it is.
Me can no cry natural. Not last Friday say resolve a floor. And you see the Constitution Article 2522 or say at the end of every quarter, transfer not less than 5% of here. The waji general 5% for aban you use sikano. Come say 200 million free access bank.
This just can away. Or the coin.
And no question you know be 7 minutes so omra parliament make adequate sikana here.
No
Peter here can answer because and adults on the door. None of you also mumpo. Quarter no so na omoya assessment na. Now Omaka say okay, a second fire Trump says 600 million Ghana. Who approach chief director now see yes. The can no correct.
Okay.
Me mo
yeah. But you me kwaba sisi ya. You know, kwaba. Asaba ya twa enkomo no so anum si ma menka say nemyamfo Richard Champon Bia East in Persuasion afi Daniel D. Kwate Titus Glover honorable. To so intro man chirimu kaka de obeti maka fa nkomo na me ne odi.
Na achi kasa no me hu na che. Me free chimba on me shada enhia no papa. And then no problem me hu na me ni age. Because we've been good friends and brothers way back. Because of the language na ye kan. The crop he any into our ye awi MP no. Because me kakasa no they really fell in love with me. Na edu baby ana amanyo 70. Almost publicly maybe and I exchange that you see real relationship being built up. There are people in the opposite side who even will love you more than even your own party. Sani was here among yourself and the man who need a meniaji. Na in Semba Kumini be no kind person na me bosso kakra. Na o kanse o mampeni akwanto no to no. Ombebu na ya ko ya de so popular say at every event I'll be to kwano. We'll look at the cost of this kwano. President Kufuor Kana said, Papa me chia no pay. We seem to know the cost of everything, but not the value of everything. The security and the safety of the president is very paramount in this country. On Sorokake, so Butukwan. You request assess. You name the condition of aircraft here, you see. So begin to me go all hall. No. Short hauls, they're better me. And is a moody Munkai Bibiakra Munkai. I think 2017 or 2018. Or the plane to America, you and General Assembly. Utu Wimwa and Jebia, Sayan, I mean, they did. Of Incrano or Cobia Easter. And yet, Totonofa. And yet, I find it's a taxi no, and then yet, bicycle. Car, mind their man, and no audio. Because the safety and the security is concerned to this country. In the area, more populism now, they should be a bit measured. And look at the safety of the president. It is all no hands on to coin or constituency. But is
that it is only fair. Say Mampayin na palm for no be say or Mampayin to coin and one should. It's happened the country to take a decision on whether there should be an acquisition.
No, but you see, you can have a way of asking, but why you want to make it political to sound as if the president is I share his pain. Efa ekwanya na ewoni constituency. Na kwandi ewunya pa in terms of productivity na ebua. Na because my big brother, His Excellency, former. Was he or your kwani nyina? Ada wanya
me pamo contract. O do kwan na contract o so.
Na 8 years ni baby nyina. Na mo abane mo nyina. Na me bi sane we kase no. Na me because
contract o tena so.
No po chile na me zo jo. Let me be son say. Because His Excellency, me am a big brother. I say on why on president the kwai. When ye bida e wo kromwa. Na de na and try na mudi e Green Book no.
There were contractors on the road.
You say
there were contractors on the road. Or catch as a contractor for. Are you not surprised? No, are you not surprised ABC on your report me? When you're worried.
Can you allow me to flow?
Probably.
The way you are doing, you are
you asked a very good question to him.
Let me flow.
Your question was
okay.
That.
It's okay. You leave it. Sorry, me that's it. And the Amkaka make can say. And the 12 years, baby nyana, and this is to abanyana. Because I can I enjoy. But thankfully, who's the contractor by road? You move frequently so. Yeah, can say na if anything, one of the director. Because roads me buy constituency buy bi pa my kwan pa etwi e dia call enti ze bi wa ha na osu se yenye ne kwan edika se yenya e bebo kwan be fa so a atimi inform wo no nyina no because yenya kwan ye ya e be fa so kwan wo ya eni NDC enye MPP obi a be fa so bi enti ye be sere na ye hwe na yenye kwan no emfama no se dia obi a wo be hihan no na dia common fan wo hwe.
Hey, now when you are going to see hey, now when you are doing this, we are there. I get to be managing the program to the ground.
No.
Yeah, because yeah, come on, but see, I see. Come on, for more challenge now.
Well,
the whole year is not.
I mean, it's like a tier 110.
It's all right.
But they
always be like Baku be
Baku, you tier Baku, Akatra.
Afimu nyina ka mu dia mo ngu asema no.
Na embassy ya affect the government. It was grassroots.
There's assembly for them.
Even members of parliament. Even members of parliament.
Especially baby, I'm to me.
This is when I
no, but it's very
big Jack Casano. Who's the other main country ever common fun?
Okay, so common fun.
Many of you.
Not we.
Organizer. Come organizer.
Yeah, we are here.
Okay, to the question.
And the assembly, they suffer. And for reasons why you many are I can tell. but no say be finance minister say constitutional provision no kan sika no gia on fan koma fa no na adwuma no nkofom no munye adwuma se na ye no me ko ho no odi ye na adwuma e wo fom because onya bibi anya wo fom a constituency be say oti ho na onya hwe but they use the common fund to do a lot of things education health you support to kakran e wo constituency na ade and you be sre and this discussion here kai I mean go
he live in akusi saying
he live it's not a monster come on or they call state institution like assemblies any universities na ade nyina no oyin free ho na emphasis kanu and fan call replace he live in ade you can't say that because constitutional provision na many prof enyadwi wo ho na university support so eyade na eboa but you levy a year can wasem no I don't see that repressive. It's a way of compromising. A lot of people in this country refuse to say embeto eto embeso beto eto na won beso beto tax kakaka we ye be ye dey group carpentering masonry electrician then all these people are taking huge sums of sika timemufo see dan ya ye di momo obi antu ateku braka pere nobody you can first can favor the total domestic revenue compared to GDP just about 13%. 13% on the standards of West Africa standard on West Africa no, is about 18%. And the point is dodo is when you turn the doors dodo and this a can daho loans na yagigi mumu de kanwa ye tua no anya ga say mu de na ga ye tua wo ye tua ne ye de fra and you tua way the principal and the interest kakara be kanu government compensation because come dey uti hoyi achiti hoyi mimiti hoyi ye wadan ye si ye dan sebi kafra enya ban de si dan mai ono to asase no de mai cement ni abo ni nyam ni nyina ye si dan ni wie ye no na ban egu abesi yanim o say contribuable to everybody but as a good citizen so we did so say we tia etoa it's your responsibility to contribute something uko asoro fie uko asoro dem edu baby every busum bia no eton keke de baby ye dey see no so say nyame fie no we see city ho we are there was so many groups there were men fellowship there were women fellowship there was single man there were youth they have different months within the year your group episode na medjuma then when you go to Islam kanka e dey nyame djuma wo every Friday after the juma say imam ni preach we now you bomb we a obi kita plate o say feast be the lie kanka mu fantum na say any person ye ya wama emfaso no nya beba yeso
okay
dan the sa to be ni ma ye ka ide and mini
okay so quickly some update yensa kan Enkran Kwanta Adabo Chrome is under feeder roads and they are tending to the pace is very slow inche that so also in approval and currently under procurement Elubo Mile 4 is in progress
after the next border
so Elubo Mile 4 omo ye kwai no
tete constituency is called
quantum no a branch
but you go to Bradier
so interest in Enkran Kwanta Adabo Chrome under feeder routes is been attended to
Adabo Chrome Kojama
ntemo no inche that there so approval aba the procurement omo process name Elubo Mile 4 is in progress nti mon share no so but other ones that we can share
for but I'm fairness obi no in principle back at yourself institute to and I said to enye but a to be an your principle of taxation kwaya say for so ejeje eto any idea etua eto from o my so can be banking tax this was started a making profits after 10 years or no and now started to when you rationale behind it the rationale behind it let's say you know and if you know you tell them na shit ye tua to e won fa so profit and earnings e ho na ye tua to e free nti ye adwuma na nya fa so 20 cedis a ho e say 20 no about percentage o di tua because the point is say me my adwuma ma adwuma na wo me yema wo no ansa na wotua ekanama bi no ka property rate any rent income tax na dade no if no say say we nyina ye wallet no me de too much say me botom ma pepepe na me de me sika na sie na sika na she botom no me ba wo school me san ni 300 Ghana cedis ama akran say on fan ko tua na school fees o se me sen tax e was 300 cedis no so o send 200 na no o se on send tax sika ba ko na wo nipa no bookshop owner no ono so ne nema sa o kra nema abegu ne shop say sika ono so transfer ma right be to 1.75 asoma ye kan no
ano she dodo just one 1,000 cedis na tia na
before say include the final person no
hwehweti from
it say your capital ni nya na hye capital no eno na ban eje e bi afiri so sika ni nya adwuma bi ya wo aye we sika de ama it is see other ways you bit me them agility revenue bi na no kan amount say e bit $2 oh yeah way dollars na man for our mode rent ajapa
na sika nkase hye $1 nya ade hye de adwuma
hotels nyina ye keke nyina no come display or charges or dollars meboa na bana nkase po no ukọ clear car na omo ko tu in dollars na ma convert be cedis ene dollar ye say dollar do
76869
it depend baby
anyway
dollar do 7 8 na my na me ya say me nua for be organize di but it's good who operate for opposition and ma wo so o tejuma na say nti wo be organize in opposition it wo sika no eye wo this disposable income no ye nto aketu mu enu akoto ade wo shop no 200 cedis na multimity to na na continue sanfanto cost no etu fana consumer eti akoko box ba akobo no ade bechi no na ne bo na de assistant
from 120 to 135 140
that's the point anopa macho be your kasa or say is worried because the business community is also complaining and then they put in place some measures ben
no parliament any measures e go money go
no the measure be bank ka nyina say no e be sin such another say na nye 5.4 na 5.4 and they say no man payin na no ye campaign or say be ba betete petrol so na na dem say global challenge fa it's not who ye campaign there per vote and na ka so ba betete so bo man payin ye can ye local international politics oni mu asem onye novice it would me can say do Kenya no nim de na work but now that so ono dey work control so and na 1 gallon say say na mate say omo say omo ye negotiation a transport union say
yes.
omo be to case kam
yeah
because em afi nkronkoma mu ba kuro mu no omo so be sofa koko kwani wo kare koko kura be 2 months ni entua neka koko sika no kura ne sanka etinema e basa o kuro me.
But that's why I have a and abegin same sir. That's the problem I have with the opposition, and it's unfortunate that the principles are lacking. It depends on where you stand as a political party or as a personality. One was say there was train. One was say there was train. One was say there was Nanadwa. There have been consistency of Nyomabia. Like if it's a bit more stable, any stable be seen there. The contribution of Sanema we into stable in the kind of amano sema they are practicing over time because MPP in the opposition. I agree with you. The things that MD they want to explain to you. Who opposition, fantastic submissions. As if actually, the champion should be the finance minister for Ghana 2024. Perfect. Unya finance minister we pay when this amemo pay.
Omane woman the man here Juma. Mama 2 examples. Labor Act naturally say you can't vary somebody's condition to his or her disadvantage. Some basis not say here na amebo. Kokokubol kwhwe na kokubol and the minister of finance and a year community of agric it staff motivation coupon enko na one man motivation better than nipa no so give no so no kokoo no so a wo kwaji kwani kokoo na kokoo ne nko esika ne nko akwani ne saka just last week abanka sa publish kokoo esum kokoo business some receive no I reduced by 42% internet ko he Bokam say LBC ni bi o problem enti we discuss more de Canada koko kwani no emfa no blacklist some crofo na pe nipo betima to koko mebo eti say and then this na me carry koko na me nyam koko sika na antimi nton koko no mo bi apart from aban na for koko no 2 months na untua me car when you this an MPP asem aban o teso no hyehyɛ no na emoa it is the community of agric and as mo koko kua na for community of obetumi edi na yenko anim editorate ya brabo and say ya term is dream and kafa so say ye ba ke na ma ye ne betutu aka ensem
God better me dream
and ke better me dream petrol idea campaign better so want to so dollar want me arrest dollar no ya sitina mo so no improvement
Ghana for share free SHS no enhwa kwa ho do mo ye enhwa one district one factory enhwa one village one dam enhwa one village one warehouse enhwa NAPCO enhwa restoration of allowances enhwa
demonstration wanti and ne pepe na me pay dey akere no a social service for publish almost unemployment rate this is the most highest in the history of this country
because the figure no population figure increase
population figure na increase here as intake no so increase no match one factory there have been addition of jobs me boy see you creating more jobs there I see you employ more people say nipa na be adwuma wo one this one factory say ade na kure say the weekend here say nipa na say form ko adwuma the population increase gap and the gap is widening
opposition man kasa kase
pepe kasa pepe opposition o kasa you give the same time
because opposition on accommodate na ni abre
David nyasa woman too much time woman 10 minutes I want me 10 minutes
from them catch us as MP me 10 year ni parliament obi ha nan kono ko ontimi ansro sika poda
what that is self
and now the who ni pa ne call na what this man o ma hin pa ne
osradi
actually say something is happening in the economy because he will be the last person
to come to you kakra as that papa e bebe me onim no tema ho na me kra ne se me kono masra na wi makra ne se me ko first kra ne se ko kwa na se no we edwuma na chi bibia no e papa da ba bibi ye no me ko me ko yon tiase eti me dey show dey so
na man ko yie
yem na so
Comprend me that's it. Position the whole over customer.
Me man the time out.
Oh boom send a boom. I can see sir PP. Because we share at the time and now NDC 2016 we shared the cost of crude import.
Yeah.
That was around I think 42 less than I think $60
the barrel.
At barrel. See, sir, practically no, it is not helping. It is not helping at all. And as a government, you know, you can hold some of this pressure that is coming on our people. So that is what is killing us. So, and we are able to address some of these problems. You know, we have a problem. What does here? I remember at the time when you were in office, we have a graduate unemployment association. You hold radio hand in despair. But at least thinking allowance be there more was a fair point permanent jobs on my year. That is why the year level, you know, part of the scandal about you enterprise na entrepreneurial. Only we are not getting the support of our friends from the other side because obviously year level is so monstrous. So as a government, public sector work only, any hosa. Because we share the graduates every university ever abondi almost every year no Badwam edi you enterprise na edi eba no say the be peske bi dwoto bi dia ma you to be if you are innovative enough what ma ye bibia e di hye wonsem a at least what ye bibi kakaka that is the way ye be addressing if anything unemployment situation na ye ka no. So for me I think that shaking but yes so ni kakra kwa be fa so a dey ye adwuma and the edu be Ghana for no was say motiase. So whatever has happened, it is not only in Ghana, it's across the globe. And the advanced countries, democracies, sika one more say, and I'm saying America spent $7 trillion. And to hold the fort and deal with the problems as and when they come. But we saw your performance, and you never promised heavens. But the manner every so at the perform say Ghana Vundi. We were in this country, you subjected us 4 years into darkness. Businesses collapse totally. Here, please. Me say solution hereby, no, it's greater part of them was about funding. Sika. What does here? At the point they did their best, or the America or the one or two Eddie buy, and I'm say the apart from infrastructure now with the abano.
the issue and saying yeah na yes is very saying and when yeah every from 1960 baby Dr. Nkrumah edi transmission by yes is that Ebia na started said na post started said oni nkofo started hey yes you could do some but we need to change the lines why e be fa so say can na air conditions say at the point in time recently but because yes some machines ni nyamanya why e be fa so yentimenfo no will get the full benefits of this energy ayedi my managing the economy is not an easy thing but I can tell you MPP is far better than NDC trust me I'm telling you
okay so all titles mo dia na mo ya adani tuo ni sekai no dia na mo ye the party mo ye
tuo ni sekai we
dia na mo ya tuo ni sekai na mo
dia wo kan minti ase tuo ni sekai me
I have all the videos so na tuo ni sekai
na abu na wo kan I don't know what they are talking but na me share news I think ningo pram
ego kwa do asa bia be kan
ningo pram dia me hu ya na me na me
ko fa paper me bi nchen
so we me dey chere no ningo pram yeah you want TV3 news I see executives no and Tom forms and I think that is not the best way to go what I say
the one can organize
na me said ningo pram constituency executives
so what's the person
what is this what is your fear now what go lock from you show put the point we are Sanwa, when we are defending, we get it difficult to defend. Why do you go and hide the forms in under your bed? Send it to the party office.
It's weird.
Na munya dia na obi so treat daddy ni second. I don't get it.
Obi kwa treat you.
Treat you. Wo treat you da utu a obi wa ye bechi wato.
Na so okun kwa.
Na the party here there na won ti ase a you go and pull a gun. Form ni nko ho. And to make sure na ye maybe even say City FM your colleague Jocelyn Tete not dying. Onusu with the team, you press conference NDT for who can hear go. Let's try the also say party no.
Why then?
You said that okay here then. Go.
Yeah, they say election.
Me say question the person or not dying. The City FM
not dying.
Not dying. Vakpo Amfuega Jana
Akode. Question them say who knew fiase. Who organize that? Yeah, who knew fiase?
Me di fiase ba.
But he's thrown a caution to them. Throw caution to them.
Yeah, started processing.
Ebubo Basia not die. Men Casaso, catch your said your moya society and papa.
But I want to mention to you, dear. Omano no modest change well.
Ejano so say itachele who said if you alo jana
yeah so so makaka
just that